You're welcome to my channel. My name is Mudia, and very quickly I will be giving you some directional bias for BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and gold. Although these are not the only asset class that a lot of you trade for, I think most people have interest in crypto, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and for the indices, gold is a very common pair that a lot of people trade. So if you are joining my channel for the first time or you just saw this video for the first time, you're welcome. You may consider subscribing, and the link to my free Telegram community is on my bio. So what I do here on this channel is to give projections for price with the objective that when I mention these price levels for you, whatever kind of trader that you are, whether you are a scalper, a swing trader, whatever concept you trade, be it trend line, SMC, whatever concept you trade, right? You can then apply that concept in the direction that I have given you. And I believe you already know that trading is a game of probability, they say, but there is still a way to increase the hold in your favor. And that happens when you are trading with the trend. By trading with the trend, I mean that you are trading with the direction of price. You are trading what price is currently doing. So with that being said, I'll begin with BTC. So we've seen in recent time that Bitcoin has already printed an all-time high here at 126,000. So without much rambling, I won't advise anyone to take a buy trade on Bitcoin until Bitcoin goes below 74,000. So that's my projection for Bitcoin. And we are currently in the month of November. So from now till early 2026, Bitcoin is going to get to 74,000 per coin. Then after that, we could probably maybe at the second quarter of 2026, probably be preparing for another rally. And when that happens, we will potentially get to probably 130 if the run is good enough, maybe 140,000. But for now, Bitcoin is going to $74,000 per coin. And so in that case, whatever concept you trade, being trend line, whatever, just apply it in that direction. I've just given you 74,000. You can see it on my chart, 74,000. That is the next destination for Bitcoin. So apply your SMC, your other blocks, supply and demand, whatever concept it is you trade, apply it in that regard. Okay. I repeat, my goal here is just to give you a roadmap, a direction. You can travel by any means. Some of you can decide to travel by airplane. You can travel by a bus, a car, a bicycle, whatever. So that's what your strategy is. And I believe watching this video, you're already profitable in a sense. So just sell Bitcoin to 74,000. Then for Ethereum also, Ethereum we could potentially see a lot of lows, but my first projection is 2,114. And when we don't get any buying interest at that price level, then we are going to take out 1,381. Now, this is not to scare you. It's just the nature of the market. And if that level we still don't have buying interest, Ethereum can go as low as 800. So for my projections on Ethereum, these are the price levels: 2,000, 1,003, and 800 in that order. So after that has happened, then we can rally back up. Probably we could be rallying from 600 per coin on Ethereum. I know that sounds ridiculous, right? But time will tell. But in the meantime, what should you be doing? Likewise, just like for Bitcoin, you should be selling. So if you're able to get in on a sell, you can target 2,100 and then another TP 1,300 in that order. After which we'll see what happens from there. but I potentially expect 2,000, 1,3,800 on Ethereum. Then we could also take a look at Solana. For Solana, the immediate destination is $95 coin, $95 per coin on Solana. And then after that, we could probably see buying interest. But at the moment, Solana is going to $95 per coin. And this should happen. This is November. So this could probably happen before December, right? Could probably happen before December. And if uh, momentum is good, November candle can get to $95. So likewise for now, don't look for buys on Solana. It's not smart. Don't look for buys on Solana. Just sell it until $95. Sell until $95 per coin. Then for gold. So for gold, we could potentially see a rally above 4,005 on gold. We could see a rally above 4,005. Okay. But then you have to apply the concept you trade, right? To know when to execute. But gold is going to rally to 4,500. Okay. Right from where it is now. It's going to rally high 4,005 from here to 4,005. So wait to see all of this play out. And now, this is a disclaimer. Everything I've said is not a financial advice, but I just felt it necessary to start to give out this information for free. And I believe it will be beneficial to those of you who trade. And I hope you apply it accordingly. And of always, the only thing you have control over is managing your risk. And the only thing that is sure with certainty in this market is your stop loss. So apply your discipline, and I wish you profitability trading these biases. So if you're able to get in on an entry on Bitcoin, hold it to 74K. On Ethereum to 2,000. On Solana to $95. And on gold to above 4,003, which was the last high. So potentially can see 4,500 in this new rally for gold. So that will be all. And these videos are going to be on a weekly basis. So by next week or next weekend, I'll still come back to this same place, right? And then I'll look at where we are in the moment. So take note. Gold is, Bitcoin is going down. So we are currently at 102K. So by next week, we'll see where we'll be at, probably 90 something K. Then Ethereum as well. We'll see how far down we've gone. Solana the same, and gold. We'll see how far we've pushed higher by next week. So see you then. Subscribe, turn on notification so you can always get notified when I upload a new video. Have a good trading week.